Hey everyone. In this video, my goal is to walk you through how to install the data analytics tools from Altair through the Altair One portal. But first, I just want to highlight a few resources for you. The first one is our website at trueinsight.io. It has a lot of good information about Altair products, webinars, events, and downloads. You can also check out our blog at trueinsight.io/blog, which is updated weekly with new informative blog posts about the Altair product family and announcements. Okay, so let's look at altair1.com for the download portion of this. If you haven't created an account already, you'll have to do that. The upper right hand corner should say sign in or sign up. It's the easiest way to get started on this. Then once you have your account, there's a ton of good information on Altair One. You have access to the community, to support. The Altair Marketplace is where we're going to start though. The Marketplace is where you can see all the different products and the downloads for each tool. Now, one of the best parts about the Altair licensing model is that you don't buy one license of one software for one person. But with units, you actually get access to a lot of different tools, not just the single tool you might be looking for. So you can see a lot of value in here with all the different products, but to narrow it down to your product, there's a few tips and tricks. So let's use the filters on the left-hand side here. You can drill down by product suite, end-use application, a collection of similar products, different solutions, or even the operating system. So you can see when I choose the data analytics checkbox under product, it really limits the selection down to just the tools that fit that criteria. So if you can't find the tool you're looking for, or you just want to use a search bar, they have that option as well. It just makes it easy. So let's search for Monarch, and then we're going to find the Monarch Complete tool, and that's where we're going to start. Now when you click on the software, you'll see a flyout that gives you a few separate sub-tabs. Choosing the download sub-tab, you have a few options inside there. Really just download that from choosing that down arrow or clicking on the link itself. Okay, now once it's downloaded, it's pretty simple. You just walk through the wizard and it'll help you install the product. Now it should automatically activate the tool for you, especially if you've logged into Altair One with your credentials. If you have issues with going forward with that, we have a video on our YouTube channel here that'll help you with that. If not, just reach out to us on support. Okay, one last thing before I let you go. With Altair, with every new license, with every new user, they actually offer no-cost online training. So if you go to learn.altair.com, you can create an account. You should be able to use the same credentials you had from your Altair One login. And then you can search using the filters by product or different application. And it's really a great way that you can start getting more learning, getting started, and getting up to speed quicker. So if you have any other issues, that's what we're here for. Reach out to us at support@trueinsight.io. Thank you.